Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your X7 smartwatch with your mobile phone. First, make sure your X7 smartwatch has a full charge, which typically takes about 2 hours. Next, download the official companion app from your phone's app store. It's usually called X7 Connect or something similar. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device. This essential first step ensures a smooth and successful pairing process, getting you ready to enjoy all your smartwatch features. Now that your devices are ready, open the companion application on your mobile phone. The app will guide you through the pairing process with clear, step-by-step instructions. Look for an option like Add Device or Pair Smartwatch. When your X7 smartwatch appears in the list of available Bluetooth devices, tap on it to select. You might see a pairing code appear on both your phone and watch. Confirm they match to proceed. After selecting your X7 smartwatch, you'll receive a pairing request on both your phone and watch. Confirm this request on both devices to finalize the connection. The companion app should then display a connected status, often indicated by a green icon or text. If you encounter any difficulties, such as the watch not appearing, try restarting both your mobile phone and the X7 smartwatch. Sometimes, a simple restart resolves minor connectivity glitches, ensuring a stable link. With your X7 smartwatch successfully connected, you can now personalize your experience. Use the companion app to choose from dozens of watch faces, set your preferred notification alerts, and manage various settings. Explore the health tracking features, which typically include a step counter, calorie tracker, and heart rate monitor, providing valuable insights into your daily activity. Remember to keep the app running in the background for seamless data synchronization and optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.